Solve the square root of 3n plus 12 equals the square root of n plus 8. If you have the square root of stuff equals the square root of stuff, it's very simple. Square both sides and get rid of the square roots. You're allowed to do that. Squares and square roots cancel each other out. So you're left with, on the left side, 3n plus 12, and on the right side, n plus 8. So those square roots, useless. Now what you're going to do is you're going to solve this guy like a regular old equation with variables on both sides of the equal sign. Subtract n from both sides, like so. 3n minus n is 2n. Drop down the plus 12, drop down the equals, drop down the 8. Now let's subtract 12 from both sides like we normally would. Okay, 2n equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 2 to round this problem out. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Now, it may not be the worst idea to go up here and check your work by plugging it in. 3 times negative 6, or negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 12 would give me 6, square root of 6. That's going to equal the square root of negative 2 plus 8, which is 6. They do match up. You did it right. All is well. So the answer is n equals negative 2. You always really want to check your work with square roots because you're not allowed to take the square root of a negative number, at least not until Algebra 2. Watch those videos. You'll get there.